Before my students learn how to use a protractor, I like to give them a visual of what an angle is. So I've split this paper into wedges of 45 degrees, and then they can use the wedges to measure the angle. So on this one, they would count by 45 and get their answer of 135 degrees. Before I teach my students how to use a protractor, I like to give them a visual of what an angle is. So I have these wedges and they're split into 10 degrees each. They fill in the angle with these wedges and then they count by tens to get their answer of 60 degrees. Before I teach my students how to use a protractor, I like to have them make their own protractor using wax paper. First, they fold it in half to make a rectangle, in half again to make a square, and then in half a third time to make a triangle. When they unfold this, you'll see that it's split into sections of 45 degrees. I'm tracing it to make it a better visual, and I'm marking each as 45 degrees. Then they can line up this protractor with their angle, and they'll see that they have an angle of 135.